Hello friends, once again is your friend Home for Roses. Welcome once again to my channel. Today is the 8th of November 2025, and this is my end of the week recap on how the week went, what analysis was, where the trade was taken, the outcome of the trade before we would do another analysis for the upcoming week. So if you watched the previous video that I made for this week, I actually was looking out for a buy. I said I want to buy more than selling, but in my all my videos, you always hear me say, if you buy or sell in the market, that you are very, very right, but just make sure that you are doing it at the right places, at the right timing and key levels. And then this is always a pure price action analysis. So you are right, you buy, you are right, you sell, but do it at the right place. And that's the reason for my channel to just show the areas I'm looking at for markets to take to do a reaction of buying or selling. So just ask you to follow up. Together we can make it better and then learn much better. So yeah, this is British pound USD. Last week I said I was looking for more of buying than selling. To me, I'll be waiting for a buy than selling. And that's I did for British pound USD and also for British pound JPY, which is this. I was looking at buying more than selling. So I'm here to do a recap. Did we actually buy? Did we actually sell? What actually happened? Yes, you might be wrong in your bias, but did you have a market? So um and then in my chart, I always see lines and areas where I mapped out because most times I might be trading with my phone. Probably I'm not in the place I could use my laptop, but I could actually take a look at my phone. Those areas are there to help me um quick make decisions without looking at the price or the chart twice. So let's put back my lines and my areas on the chart. All right, so we have it back. This is it. So what actually happened? I said that the monthly that I'm looking for more of a bullish monthly, but because we are not positional traders, so we use the weekly, daily, and then other time frame to work. So this area was a shaded area on the monthly, is a favor look gap on the monthly because I trade purely price action, no indicator required. So the price has a right to tap into it. As at last week we tapped into that shaded area, which is this area. We tapped into it. I was looking for buy. That was okay. So as the market opened, price cover closed up all the shaded area completely, and so that it doesn't need to do that, but it could, which happened this week. Price closed that shaded area, which as we can see, sorry, I have to expand this. So this is it. Price closed the shaded area as the market opened, and it's a new week altogether. Then if we drop to the daily time frame, which is what we are looking at this moment on British pound USD. So the market opened on Sunday. So between Monday and Tuesday, we have this huge drop and the whole area was closed. So I started looking out for my buy because already I've said I'm looking for more of buying than selling for me. So if we drop to the lower time frame, I'm going to show you how I took my trade. First, the first entry I took was on the British JPY, which is here. This is it. So when price tapped into for the British JPY, sorry, this is the area I was looking at. I was looking at the area, this area to be closed, which price tapped into it as at last week and then dropped huge. It went to this area. That area was a level on the daily. So this is it. It covered that area, a fair value gap on the daily. Apparently, I wasn't expecting it to get to this, but this is Forex and it has a right to do what it wants to do. I wasn't expecting it to get to this, but after this area, the other area I was looking at was here. So price dropped into that area. So I knew it's time for it to give me a buy signal. I dropped on the lower time frame. This is it. And this trade was taken on the one hedge. As you can actually, this trade was taken on the one hedge. As you can see on the phone aspect of it, how we place the trade on one hedge. This is for British pound JPY. The trade was placed there. That's it, me placing the trade, which is this. That's what you're seeing also on the video aspect of it. So for the one of British pound USD, which you can also see, there's the trade placing the British pound USD also, which we took also on one hedge on stop. This is British pound USD. As you can also, you will see it being playing out over there. And then the British pound JPY has started moving as the time I was placing the British pound USD, as you can also see in those two videos. So that was how the entry of the video was. So that was the entry of the video. So I took partial on Thursday on British pound USD and JPY, which you also see as it's playing out also. I took partial, which I also wrote where I took the partial and the final stage where I also closed the trade, but I said I was sure that the market would get to this area on the British pound USD. Then for JPY, I took partial when the market actually got to this area, this place. I took partial and I moved my stop loss to this place. And then the market traded and got back to it on Thursday, the same Thursday, and this trade was closed. So it was only the partial I breaked even here in this British pound. I took after taking partial. That's always, I'll always be an advocate of asking you to always take partial. You might be so sure, no matter how professional you are, you might be so sure that the market can disappoint you whenever it wants. So I took partial when the market got to this area. I moved my stop loss. I should have moved this stop loss somewhere here, not actually here, but I moved it too quickly. Yeah, it was a mistake on my side. I should have moved it like 25% when the first one has been taken before the 100%, but I moved it here because it wasn't giving me what I was looking at, as you can see. So the market reversed and then closed this trade and started to rally up on that. That was it for JPY, or British pound did excellently well. So that was it. The market was a buy for me. We opened, we traded down, and then I took my final close was here, and then the market rallied up. I said that I was more of expecting the market to get to this zone, but it never did. It never got to that area. So did I make profit? Yes. Did I make any loss? No. So that's it. How did I know that the market will reverse at that zone? Price action. How did I know when to take the trade? Time of the day and the day. So this trade was big. So that was it for the week recap. The British JPY did well. We made profits. It didn't get to the end results. The British pound USD did excellently well. We got almost nearly, as you can see, it's just few pip to the targeted area, which is this shaded area also. That was it for me, and I ask please you to subscribe to my channel, follow me up, ask your questions, drop your comments on the comment section, whatever you want me to, you want to reach out for me to explain, or whatever you think, you should drop it on the comment section. Once I have the time, I promise to get back to you. And please subscribe, share this video, invite your friends. If you want to learn Forex, this is the place to, and you want to learn it just purely price action without any indicator, the time of the day, I'm willing and happy to share. That's the reason I am here, and I'll be doing my weekly forecast by Sunday. Also, make sure you come back. I will drop my TikTok handle, my YouTube channel in the comment section also. Thank you always for stopping by. Once again, is your friend Home for Roses. I love British pound, and then I'll look into other pairs you think I should. Have fun and have a lovely weekend. Love you.